Today I am reviewing the Bissell FlexClean Robot Vacuum and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let us start with the core of the cleaning performance. The suction power on this unit is rated at 6,000 pascals, which is a significant figure in the world of robot vacuums. In practice, that translates to a very capable machine when it comes to deep cleaning carpets and pulling dander out of rug fibers. One of the standout design choices is the brush roll. Bissell calls it the NeverTangle brush roll, and it is a floating design that does a commendable job of preventing the kind of hair wrap that usually drives people to take a pair of scissors to their vacuum cleaners once a week. If you have long-haired pets, this is a relief. Instead of wrapping around the roller, the fur is meant to be shed into the intake stream. It works well, though it is not a magical cure-all for every single strand of hair, especially if you have a massive amount of shedding occurring in a short window. It definitely reduces the frequency of manual maintenance, but you'll still want to perform a visual check every few weeks just to be safe. The navigation system uses LiDAR, which is arguably the gold standard for these machines right now. The 360 React LiDAR system allows the robot to map out your rooms with a high degree of precision. It does not just wander around bumping into furniture, it moves with intent. You will notice it creates a logical grid pattern that covers your floor efficiently, and it handles transitions between rooms quite well. Because it relies on laser mapping, it functions perfectly in the dark, which is a nice perk for those who like to schedule their cleanings for the middle of the night. It also handles the mapping of furniture legs and corners better than the older infrared-only sensors. However, it is worth noting that while LiDAR is great for mapping, it is not a vision-based obstacle avoidance system. This means it might still bump into very small, dark, or thin objects that are sitting flat on the floor, like a forgotten charging cable or a very thin toy. It is smart, but it is not infallible. Moving on to the mopping side of the equation, the liftable pad is a significant feature that fundamentally changes how you use the machine. In older models, if you wanted to mop, you often had to designate no-go zones or put down physical barriers to keep the wet pad off your carpets. With this unit, the pad automatically lifts when it detects carpet, allowing it to seamlessly transition from hard floors to rugs. This means you can run a full cleaning cycle for your entire house without worrying that you will return home to a soggy area rug. The mopping itself is a standard damp wipe affair, aided by the multi-surface formula that comes in the box. It does a great job of picking up fine dust and freshening up hard surfaces, but do not expect it to scrub away deep, set-in, dried-on stains or heavy, sticky messes that would otherwise require a dedicated upright steam mop. It is designed for maintenance cleaning, keeping the floors looking polished and free of dander rather than replacing heavy-duty manual labor. The self-emptying base station is where the convenience factor really hits home. Many robot vacuums on the market still require you to open up the robot and dump a tiny dustbin every time it finishes a cycle. With the base on the 4270, you are looking at a system that can theoretically go up to 8 weeks before you need to empty the large capacity container. This is a massive shift in the daily experience of owning a robot vacuum. It turns a daily chore into a bi-monthly one. The base is also bagless, which keeps your recurring costs down since you do not need to constantly buy proprietary replacement bags. The integration of HEPA filtration throughout the suction path, from the robot through to the base, is a notable touch. It actually does a decent job of trapping the finer particles and dander that often get kicked back into the air by lower-end vacuums. If you have someone in your house with allergies, this is a legitimate benefit that makes a tangible difference in air quality. When we talk about who this vacuum is actually for, it really lands in the sweet spot for the busy pet owner. If you have a dog or a cat that sheds year-round and you have a mixed floor plan with both hardwood and area rugs, this unit is built specifically for that scenario. It handles the two most common pain points: pet hair getting wrapped around rollers and having to manually separate vacuuming and mopping sessions, by automating both. It is also a good fit for someone who wants smart features like app connectivity and room-by-room scheduling without the clutter of a unit that requires a massive camera array on the front. Conversely, there are some users who might find this model less than ideal. If you live in a very large home with extremely thick, high-pile shag rugs, you might find that no robot vacuum, including this one, can provide the same deep extraction as a heavy-duty upright vacuum. The brushes and suction are powerful, but there are physical limitations to how much a robot can penetrate deep rug fibers. Also, if you are the type of person who is extremely particular about your floors being scrubbed with high-pressure liquid, you might find the mopping function a bit too lightweight. It is essentially a damp cloth being dragged across the floor. If you have a kitchen that sees a lot of heavy foot traffic and spilled juice or sauce, you'll still need to spot clean those areas by hand eventually. The app experience is fairly standard for the industry. You get the ability to set schedules, adjust the suction power, and define no-go zones on the map. The setup process is straightforward, and the app generally responds quickly to commands. Occasionally, like with any smart home device, you might run into a hiccup where the map needs to be refreshed or the connection needs to be reset, but those instances are the exception rather than the rule. It integrates well enough that once you have your schedule set, you really do forget that it is even there, which is exactly the point of a machine like this. A major strength of this particular model is the balance between size and utility. Some of the newer all-in-one robots on the market are essentially the size of a small refrigerator, with massive tanks for water and waste. This unit is much more compact. It occupies a reasonable footprint in your home, while still providing the self-emptying function. It feels like a more honest piece of household technology. It does not try to be an entire home cleaning crew. It just tries to be a very good vacuum and a competent maintenance mop. Reflecting on the value proposition, you're paying for the convenience of not having to touch the machine for weeks at a time. The 4270 sits in a price bracket where you expect a certain level of performance and reliability. It delivers on the suction, the navigation is consistent, and the pet-focused features, specifically the tangle-free brush roll and the HEPA filtration, are well executed. You are paying for the peace of mind that your floors are being maintained without your active input. Is it perfect? No. It will still get stuck on a stray shoelace occasionally, and it is not going to replace your deep cleaning routine for the deep corners of your house or the areas behind heavy furniture. But for the vast majority of day-to-day cleaning, it does exactly what it promises to do. If you are currently spending your time vacuuming every other day just to stay ahead of your pet's fur, this will feel like a massive upgrade in your quality of life. It frees up that time and energy for other things. When you consider the cost of your own time and the annoyance factor of traditional vacuum maintenance, the investment makes a lot of sense. Just make sure you understand the limitations of a robot mop. It is a finisher, not a heavy-duty scrubber. If your expectations are set correctly, it is a very satisfying piece of technology to have running in the background. It is reliable, it is effective, and it genuinely makes the experience of living with pets a little less chaotic. For those reasons, it sits near the top of the list for anyone looking for a reliable, pet-centric cleaning partner that just works without needing constant supervision. It is a solid, practical choice that avoids the fluff and focuses on the features that actually matter for a clean home. Looking at the build quality, the plastics feel sturdy enough to withstand the inevitable bumps into baseboards and chair legs. The wheels have enough clearance to handle standard door thresholds and lower pile carpets without stalling out, which is a common point of frustration with lesser robots. The way it docks into the self-empty base is also reliable. It doesn't struggle to line up its contacts, which means you rarely come home to a dead robot because it failed to dock correctly. That consistency is one of the most underrated aspects of a good robot vacuum. The multi-surface formula used for mopping is another small detail that adds up. It leaves a subtle, clean scent that isn't overpowering, which is a nice touch if you have guests coming over. The tanks are easy to access and fill, and the entire maintenance process, when you do have to do it, is intuitive. You won't find yourself fumbling with hidden latches or overly complex locking mechanisms. Everything about the 4270 seems designed with the idea that the user just wants to get back to their day. It respects your time, and that is perhaps its greatest feature of all. If you are on the fence, think about how many hours a month you spend cleaning your floors. If that number is significant, the 4270 is likely going to justify its cost very quickly by reclaiming that time for you. It's an honest, well-engineered machine that fulfills its purpose without over-promising or under-delivering. You'll find it's a reliable addition to your home maintenance routine, provided you keep your floors relatively clear of major obstacles. It isn't a miracle, but it is a very effective tool for the job. The battery life is another aspect that deserves mention. It is rated for up to 180 minutes of runtime, which is quite impressive. For most homes, this means the robot can complete a full cycle of all your rooms on a single charge. If you have a massive floor plan, it is smart enough to head back to the dock, recharge, and pick up right where it left off, so you are never left with a half-cleaned house. That kind of intelligence in the software combined with the solid hardware really makes it feel like a cohesive, thought-out product. When you look at the competition, there are certainly cheaper options out there, but you often pay for those lower prices in the form of poor mapping, frequent stalls, or a lack of self-emptying features. There are also significantly more expensive options that include things like hot water mop washing or air drying pads. The 4270 finds a middle ground that provides the essential high-end features, LiDAR, self-emptying, liftable mop, without the bloat of extras you might not actually use. It is a focused, smart purchase for the person who wants a clean home without the drama of owning a finicky, high-maintenance gadget. In the end, you're getting a machine that does exactly what it says on the box. It manages pet hair well, it keeps your floors maintained, and it stays out of your way. For a household with pets, those are the only three things that really matter. It's a tool that works for you, rather than a chore that you have to manage. Whether you are upgrading from an older, dumber vacuum or buying your very first robotic assistant, this is a model that manages to be both approachable for beginners and powerful enough for people who know what they want. It avoids being overly complex, which is a rarity in the current market, and it focuses heavily on being a reliable, everyday workhorse. It is a very easy recommendation to make for anyone living in a house with fur, dander, and busy schedules. If you are ready to stop cleaning your floors manually and want to reclaim some of your weekends, this is a very strong path to take. It brings a level of consistency to your home cleaning that is difficult to replicate by hand. You might be surprised at just how much cleaner your air and your carpets feel after just a few days of letting it run its scheduled cycles. It's a practical, well-thought-out piece of equipment that genuinely improves the home environment. You'll be glad you made the shift to something that handles the messy parts of pet ownership so efficiently. It's the kind of technology that once you start using it, you wonder how you managed without it for so long.